Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for being here today. We have something very exciting. We are on a design install where I have not purchased any new furniture. No joke, nothing new as far as furniture. We're in a master bedroom. We're keeping the bed, we're keeping the couch, we're keeping the side tables. What did we change? Well, these walls used to be creamy ivory. Now they're a gorgeous, yummy blue that our Free Spirit Design side team painted a few months ago as we started this project. So paint, major impact on the walls. We're also going to change some linens. Now the client loves their current bedding. You're going to see that I just added another layer to cozy it up and make it feel new. We're also going to add a rug and some lighting, a few new accessories. They'll have a completely different bedroom by not purchasing any new furniture. So let's go. For those friends who are curious about the gorgeous blue that we painted, so we only use Duration Sherwin-Williams paint. I went with a matte finish in this space because the walls are so dark. If you went with a satin, which is what I usually go with, those are with lighter colors. One of my favorites, Mount Etna. The number is 7625. I have this actually on my doors in my house. A little paint tip, always, always take samples of the color into your home. When I did Annie's, I had 4 colors, I think, different shades of blue on her walls. Her and her husband lived with it for days before they decided, because you want to see it at night. You want to see it in the sunshine. You want to see it on a rainy day. You want to know that you love it because it is a commitment. While it's just paint, you want to love it. We have worked a lot in this client's home. We've done their living room. We've painted their kitchen, their dining room. So fun. We love building relationships with our clients and having them come back when they're ready for the next project. So let's look at all the goodies we got. I love shopping the local Home Goods. I also love shopping my own brand. How fun was this that I found at Target? This totally goes with their fun collection, so I thought it would be fun to add something new for Annie in her space. This was just in the truck. This doesn't belong here. When you work on multiple jobs at a time, sometimes things get brought that don't belong. This is Jared.
Hi.
Jared is on our project team.
Hi.
Okay, what else do we have? Light bulbs. Pillows. These are for the couch that they have in their room. I love styling a couch with different colors, different textures, cozy cotton, a chenille soft pillow. Tassels and velvet are always fun. And we all need a blanket. I wanted to balance some of the color. Our couch is gray. There's not a lot of gray happening in this space anymore. There is some in their bedding, but we're not going to highlight it. We're going to kind of bring in some of those lighter tones, especially with our dark walls now. But this is kind of the color the walls used to be. How cool are these? This totally suits Annie. And this beautiful, unique pedestal, which I'm thinking about putting in the master bathroom. Greenery. You always have to have greenery. It makes such an impact. Another faux greenery. So this guy looks real. This is on purpose. I'm going gray. I'm embracing that God-given color. I'm actually excited to see it. Process, not fun. It's very long and my hair grows so slow. This is 9 months into my journey. And honestly, you guys, I was just tired of our culture telling us as women that gray means you're old, makes you look old. Like, why not change the narrative? And honestly, I was tired of like scheduling my life around my hair. I was going every 5 weeks. Who has time for that? Like when I was feeling stressed about the fact that my roots were showing, that's when I was like, what are you doing? But this is my own journey. Like I know we're all on a different journey and I don't think there's anything wrong with coloring your hair. It's really just for me about like teaching my girls it's okay to be different and it's okay to not believe the lies that I think we're told all the time as women. No, fill your wrinkles, dye your hair. I don't want to do it. The next one. So in this space, I decided not to do table lamps. Lighting plays such a huge part, you guys, in all design projects. But in this case, we have 2 different side tables. So because they're different heights, I didn't want to do lamps because then you're really going to notice that the tables are different heights. They're not so far off, it doesn't bother me, and they're actually really beautiful. I love this space and this home. Annie's style, I love how eclectic and just old cozy feeling. Oh, and these are going to be our new bedside table lamps. I love all things mirror because it's to reflect light. And removing some of her wall gallery. How gorgeous. I thought this was so pretty to go with our new bedding. Delicious. So remember, my client wanted to recycle all their furniture in their room. So how do we make an impact? Well, we're gonna put a rug on the floor. Why? It's going to anchor all the furniture. It's going to cozy up the space. It's gonna add another layer of texture and color. I find a lot of times people will buy rugs too small. You want to think of your rug not as a postage stamp. You want to think of it as an anchor for your space. And I'm so excited to see it. So pretty. You see the blue that's inspired with our new wall colors? So fun having you on Design Install with me today. Now for more fun stuff. This is the box of bedding. This bedding currently that my clients have, they actually love it. So they were like, can we recycle it? I was like, yeah, we can recycle whatever you want. I still wanted to give them like a fresh update. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep their existing bedding, but we're gonna add another color and texture. A very simple, affordable way to refresh is switch out your bedding, you guys. It's so fun to do that seasonally as well. And this size pillow is a Euro. We're gonna line the back of the headboard with that. So cozy. Velvet in the bedroom. It's cozy, it's a little sexy, it's fun. And all my clients choose these big pieces with me on their design boards. Okay, we have 3. Why 3? I may end up returning 1 for her. We're gonna see what it looks like, whether we want 2 or 3. And I wanted a fuller look, so I just bought a cotton fill, like a polyfill pillow, not a feather down. The feather down are super cozy, but when you want something more firm, you wanna go with a pillow insert that is more firm. There's one done. This beauty new quilt. Now, the bed is a queen, like I said. However, I bought a king quilt. Why? Because I want to hide the fact that you can see the mattress. They have an adjustable bed, so you can see that, which a mattress is really not attractive. So we're going to cover it up by overhanging. If you have a queen, buy king bedding. Try it. Bet you'll like it. I want to show you why I chose this color. The light pinks, it's just very feminine, and even the tail of the bird, like it's almost like it's like a mix between pink, a peach. It's yummy. Some brands I love to buy from: Pottery Barn, West Elm, Crate and Barrel, Anthropology, Ballard Design. Those are some of my go-tos. And I love that it has this cotton back too. We can fold it down and have another texture. Let's get this bed made. Ooh, I didn't know these were reversible. We are going to remake the bed. All about the layers, you guys. Scott, what's your sheet preference?
I like soft.
He likes soft. Ours are soft. Danny's are also soft. With this, it's a queen bed, but we bought king bedding so that it would hang over to the side and cover that mattress. And one way to really get a luxe feel with your bed is to layer. And now we're going to decide if we want those 2 Euros that we talked about or 3. Isn't it amazing? A whole new look with just new pillows, another layer of bedding. I also like to take a picture to see if I actually like it, because sometimes the pillows, I'm like, oh, I don't love that. So I'm going to take a photo with it and without it. What do you think? With or more simple without? Okay, after taking a picture, I decided I like it with this big lumbar. So Annie didn't have any pillows on the couch. We're just gonna cozy it up, and I wanted to show you, you can have a couch of pillows that don't match, but that all coordinate. So I wanted to bring that creamy, yummy pink in, adding a different shape with tassels is always fun, and a cozy blanket. We do beauty and functionality. The client can take these covers off, throw them in the washer and the dryer. The one piece of furniture I forgot I did get was this little guy. It's a drink table. I knew she didn't have room for anything else, so she can have her coffee or her glass of wine at the end of the day and have a place to put it.
It looks amazing! Oh my gosh, I love it. It's amazing to have something on the couch other than laundry I need to put away. Oh my gosh, I'm like, this is amazing.
It feels so pulled together now. You know, before it was just kind of always in the state of like not being finished. So I love that it's done.
Happy day! Let's check on the boys. What do you got, Jared? A gorgeous hook. Honey, how's your light hanging going? You're closing in. Yay, a happy new bath caddy. Now this rug I purchased for the master bath, and I wanted to pull in this blue because we also painted the master bath blue as well. You'll see. I'm gonna pour this into here. A really simple and affordable thing you can do with your cabinets in the bathroom or kitchen. Clean out the hardware if you don't want to buy a whole new vanity or cupboards.
Oh my gosh, looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at the baskets. Oh, I love the new cabinet. It looks so much more organized. Wow. And I love, thank
His
you
and
for
her.
my request for divided.
Yes.
Maybe I can teach my
Tim,
husband
take your
how-
own laundry.
Right. This is how we sort laundry.
Yes.
Believe it or not, the whites and the darks do not get washed together. Very happy. It was amazing.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us today at our fun master bedroom makeover, little refresh. It wasn't a total makeover, but we made a big impact and the client is thrilled. That's all that matters to me. And I just want to encourage you and remind you, don't try to follow rules of design. Just do what you love. If you love it, that's literally all that matters. It's your home. It should reflect who you are. It should be a collection of what you love. Remember, the little things can go a long way. Paint your walls if you want to change a space. Grab some new fresh bedding, rearrange accessories, or rearrange your furniture for a completely new look. You can do all of that without actually spending any money. Don't forget, subscribe, comment below what you think made the biggest impact in this master bedroom refresh. I don't have any nails, so it's not easy. Oh my goodness. That was really scary. Hey, homie. I want to take a break.